Welcome to lifelogging.ai. In this Getting Started demo, I'll show you how to use the FAQ chatbot to navigate the app, load your first document, create word clouds for cities, action words, and emotions, proofread and edit the document, generate a narrative summary in first person, switch the summary to second person, then to third person plural. Create a bullet point summary. I'm the creator of lifelogging.ai. For over 25 years, I've journaled daily, accumulating more than 20 million words. I built a web app to help me analyze these journals. And on this channel, I'll show you how to do the same with yours. All right, now that we've done a quick overview, let's slow things down and go through this step by step. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar and explore other pages. The top link takes you to the FAQ chat, where you can ask what the app can do for you. For now, we'll type, "How can I get started?" The response highlights the paste file and the upload files pages, showing they're clickable. Let's tap on Paste File. This takes us to the Paste File page. If you like to keep your journal entries organized, you can select a journal category. Here, we'll select Diary. I'm pasting an entry from Samuel Pepys's diary, dated September 2nd, 1666. His diaries are famous for their first-hand accounts of events like the Great Plague of London and everyday life in the 1600s. Since they're public domain, anyone can use them for free. This entry describes the start of the Great Fire of London. Fun fact, the Great Fire helped stop the spread of the plague by killing many of the rats and fleas responsible for transmission. Pressing Submit loads your text into the system, picks out the date and time from the first line, and analyzes the words to help with search features. This makes it easier to find your entry later through both keyword search and deeper meaning-based searches. Now let's use the sidebar to navigate to the word cloud page and generate a word cloud for the cities mentioned in the diary. Then we'll do the same for action words, and emotion words. Limiting each word cloud to a specific term set highlights the most relevant words, making the word cloud more meaningful. This word cloud highlights how the Great Fire evoked strong feelings, with emotion words like sad, fear, and cried standing out. Now let's go to the All File Insights page to see the new entry we just pasted. Then head over to the document viewer. With my own journal entries, I find it super useful to summarize them for a quick overview. Let's do that now and generate a bullet list summary. This feature helps you quickly get the key points from your entries, which is especially helpful if, like me, you have a lot of them. The summarized version keeps the same details about dates, events, people, and places, but in a bullet list that's easier to scan. The summary is 17% of the original word count. Now we'll generate a narrative summary in the third person plural point of view and tense. Then one in the second person singular. You might summarize a diary entry in the second person singular to create a more engaging and immersive experience. By addressing the reader directly, it makes them feel personally involved in the events. This approach is often used in self-reflection or coaching, encouraging the reader to imagine themselves in the situation. Next, we'll do one in first person singular. Summarizing a diary entry in first person singular helps maintain a personal connection to the content. This allows the reader or listener to experience the events as if they are speaking directly from the original perspective. It's useful for preserving emotional nuances and reflections, which can be especially helpful when reviewing memories or journaling for self-reflection. The app also includes a feature I call Proofread. This performs a light edit of the document, fixing punctuation and capitalization errors, adding paragraph breaks where needed, and correcting obvious typos. I find this especially useful because I often do stream of consciousness talk journaling, where I dictate entries while multitasking. Since I'm usually unable or unwilling to look at the screen, I don't pause to fix spelling errors or redundancies introduced by the dictation software. The Proofread feature cleans all of this up without altering my original voice. Notice that the transform size ratio was very close to the original. Finally, I'll cycle back through each of the transforms I created earlier. This shows that they're stored and ready for you to use next time without having to regenerate them. Today we covered everything from navigating the app and loading your first document to generating word clouds and summaries. We also explored how to change the point of view in narrative summaries and proofread entries. That wraps up this demo of getting started with lifelogging.ai. Thanks for joining me. If there's something you'd like to know more about, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your engagement helps more people discover the app, which in turn supports its development.